Hello and welcome to this video on the DVANA Workstream productivity system. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to a DVANA Workstream app. Unlike what we usually do, I'm going to start with the app just open. It's important to note that the sign in button must be visible to sign in. Sometimes, if the server is simply saving power, it might take a moment or two to appear. This is not a problem and is expected. If it takes more than about 20 seconds, then it might be a problem. Now, if you have no network connection, that will be a problem. Normally, it's not, and you see the link. Simply press it like so. Next, we enter the username and password. These will have been provided to you by your administrator. Now, if you want to use the express sign-in method, you must tick the box marked "Keep me signed in" until I sign out. Finally, press the big button marked "Sign in to Workstream." That's it. Job done. You can now do whatever it was you planned to do. Now, a point about how best to use the system. We recommend that you sign in when you need an app and only sign out or close it at the end of the day. There's no reason to close it during your workday. But every time you sign in, either as we just did or via the express sign-in method, you get a security token. Every night, we destroy your token. It's part of our security system, so you'll need to sign in every day, which leads nicely to the express sign-in method. I'm going to just close the app. Poof, and it's gone. So I start it up again. Just pretend that this is the following day. I see the same familiar sign-in link. I press it and bingo, I'm ready to do work. Once again, that's it, job done. That's all you need to know about signing in. Now, just before we finish, when it comes to signing out, your organization will have its own policy. If you sign out, then you must sign back in. In that case, the express sign-in option will not work. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. We have videos on a range of topics, all to help you be more productive. That's us finished for now. Until next time, take care